Welcome back, guys. This is another video on Fiverr, how you can make money on Fiverr without any skill. You can see you can make $6, which is this is unfound, or you can make $6, $10 or $15 on Fiverr without any skill. You know, this guy will create a 900 fitness code with a logo, and he's charging £4 or $6 for 100 fitness clothes. For standard package, he's charging 400 fitness codes. He's charging $8.34 or around $10, and the premium one, 900 fitness codes, charging around $15, something like that. Again, every time you buy a different package, he is also offering bonus codes. So for the basic 50 extra bonus codes, or for the standard 100, or premium 245. So it is worth it. This is how this guy getting sales. You know, 97 review, and he will create a 900 fitness code with logo. If you go to the bottom, you can see the feedback. People are liking his contents. This is 4 days ago, and this is United Kingdom 1 week ago. So people are buying it. Code from his Fiverr gig to grow Instagram page. I didn't make this video because I want to make it because I bought code from his gigs. This guy made a 900 codes plus 400 fitness codes plus 100 extra codes for me. So I can show you that. If I go to my file and download section, you can see I have the fitness quotation to grow my fitness Instagram page. You can see here in the bottom says I can't find it here. You can see fitness code. These are the 400 codes. He made it for me. You can see that's all the 400 codes. And if I go back, this is the bonus I get it from him for 100 bonus codes. Now I have a 500 codes fitness codes to grow my Instagram post. You can see my Instagram page here started to growing little bit. 77 followers and 43 posts by now, 155 following. I following the people, but the page is growing a little bit every single day because you speed up my process. I can worry about how can grow my page rather than spend more time creating the post. So people like that want to grow Instagram page. They want to come to Fiverr to find the gigs. This is one of the niche idea on fitness. You get different things and gardening, health and fitness. You can do with gadgets, something like that. Different niche. Find your niche idea that you can make money from. In this video, I'm going to show how you can make this code for free. Once you set it up, every time, so 97 people bought it from him. He set it up one time, and 97 times same product sold over and over again. See, so how you can make these codes for free? This is the website called Canva. The Canva we used to create, what we used to create is for all the designs like a YouTube thumbnail, a banner, logos, and something like that. In the Canva section, go to type Instagram. It will automatically bring Instagram post. That's 1080 times 1080. This is the same thing. Is offering 1080 times 1080. Now what you have to do, once it's the page open up, you need to go to the section called photos and click fitness. Type fitness or fitness and health. You can see different of royalty free images are here. Now click one, open, and track it to the full page. Now the image is done. What you have to do for the second part, go to Google and type fitness motivation codes. You can see thousands of codes are here. You can use it for free. Also go to Pinterest and type fitness motivation codes. This page offering over 245 fitness quotations are individual, so you don't have to worry about you copying the same thing over and over again. So different codes are here. Now what you have to do, just copy and paste that code into Canva. So for example, this one, we want to make this one in our page, muscles up buttercup. Okay, so what we do, copy that and put it into our Canva. Now here what you have to do, click text button and click add text, and what you have to do now, copy and paste the text here. the text is done. Okay, then what you have to do, just play around the editing and to get better text format. Now you change that to capitals, like a little bit longer, and change the font style to something more appealing, more attractive, make it bolder, and done. This is done. Now what you have to do, you can put that in any corner that you want. Okay, you can put here like something like that. Now on the bottom of the page, you can click this one. This is the way the Instagram page address will go, and this is the page and another corner where the logo will be there. So for the logo, what I can do is and delete this part and go to elements, say get any logo. For the logo, take a picture I want. So the logo will be provided by your buyer, so alright, so you don't have to worry about that. Just what you have to do, shrink the logo and put that in the corner. Now your one post is ready. Now what you have to do, click this little button called copy the page, or this second the plus button to add new page. You will open this page. Now what you have to do, delete the picture and repeat the method again. Find the different picture. So you can make 100 posts, then you can make 400, then you can make 600, something like that. Once you click download button here, you will download entire post in the zip file, so you don't have to download individually. It will download the zip file. So when the customer come and order it, you need a Instagram page address and the logo from them. If they provide that, both of them, what you have to do, you're going to spend 15 to 10 minutes and copy and paste that address and the logo into your post and download it. You can download over and over again for different buyers, because you have the original file saved on Canva. So you don't need to know Photoshop skills, you don't need to know about the graphic design or anything like that. You can use royalty free images and the codes available online and mix them up and make a post and put the gig on Fiverr, and you can make money like that. This one over and over again. Again, it's one time set it up. Once you set it up, you can make money over and over again. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you really like my video, subscribe, like, and press the bell icons. Also, again, if you guys really like my videos, click the like button. Also, if you want to write me in the comment section, write me down. I can improve it or I can make a video about it. Thanks guys for watching.